Hi everyone. When we go through the great treasures of Indian philosophy, we read a beautiful Sanskrit slokas which goes like this. Na choruharyam, na cha rajyaharyam, na bhratrubhajyam, na cha barakhari, yeye krute varadhit eva nityam vidyadhanam sarvadhanam pradhanam.
Which means, unlike the other forms of wealth, the wealth of knowledge cannot be stolen by a thief. It cannot be confiscated by kings and governments. It cannot be shared among brothers as a share in ancestral wealth. On the other hand, the more you spend on it, the more it increases day by day. So, there is no doubt the wealth of knowledge is foremost among all the forms of knowledge.
Education plays a key role in a child's development. When we think about education, the first thing that comes to our mind is knowledge. Education increases the self-confidence among students and empowers them in various ways. So, dear children, let us start a new year at school with lots of hopes and dreams, where education helps us to understand our responsibility towards school and nation. I wish you all good luck.
Dear friends, victory always favors the fearless. When we look around us, we have so many reasons to be sad and unhappy, especially in these days of pandemic. But when we look into our own heart, we have thousands of reasons to smile.
Let us remember the wise words of great Kannada writer D.V.G. ಇರುವ ಭಾಗ್ಯವನ್ನೆಳೆದು ಬಾರೆನೆಂಬುದನ್ನು ಬಿಡು ಹರುಷಕ್ಕದೆ ದಾರಿ. Without blaming anyone for the present crisis, instead let us courageously fight all these obstacles and embrace victory through the possession of knowledge. Yes, we have to do this for the sake of our bright future and to fulfill the dreams of our parents, our school and our country.
Hi Napoleons. COVID-19 pandemic has terribly hit the world, creating various damages on different fields like economics, finance, including education. And that's why we are creating a new method of communication like this. At this juncture, from the field of finance, one of the questions that arises is, which is the best investment one can make that gives the greatest return? And the writers of this field says that the greatest investment one can make is investing on himself, upgrading on himself to the process of education. And this academic year we are going to begin, and this is the time to upgrade ourselves, to update ourselves to the process of education. And wishing you all the best to upgrade yourself, to design your destiny together with Deepal. All the best.
Dear friends, as we read in the book of Proverbs, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. We begin our studies today. Let us pray to God to bless our hearts and mind to successfully complete this year's study.
Well begin is half done. Dear students, as we start a new academic year, 2021-22, our teaching faculty have upgraded with advanced teaching skills which best suits today's children. And we are ready to teach you all. Patience and perseverance are a couple of secrets to success. I would like to extend my gratitude to all the parents by thanking them for their support and patience. We also thank our parents for supporting us and cooperating with us in our virtual classes and expect the same cooperation this academic year too. Hoping to see you all soon, dear children. Take care, stay safe.
Good morning, my dear students, parents and teachers. We all are going through an unprecedented living experience. And the history of the world teaches us that this is not at all going to be the end of everything. These too shall pass, and hopefully, one day or the other, normalcy and freedom will return into our lives. What we have to do right now is to eagerly wait for that fine day, engaging ourselves with our own responsibilities in the best possible way we can. And Deepole Public School Mysore and all its faculties are all set to impart knowledge to our children in the traditional educational methods as we were doing in the previous years. We are just waiting for the government order to begin so. Until then, the school will strive its level best to fill this gap by giving our best. Invoking divine blessings upon our school, let's begin the academic activities of this year. I request and I expect your wholehearted cooperation and support to ensure the bright future of our own students in this academic year. Thank you.